Apache POI library in Apache POI Excel. Here you can see Apache POI library. And you can see interfaces and classes in Apache POI. Workbook. It represents an Excel workbook. It is an interface implemented by HSSF workbook and XSSF workbook. Sheet. It is an interface that represents an Excel worksheet. A sheet is a central structure of a workbook which represents a grid of cells. The sheet interface extends java.lang.iterable. Row. It is also an interface that represents the row of the spreadsheet. The row interface extends java.lang.iterable. There are two concrete classes, HSSF row, XSSF row. Cell. It is an interface. It is high-level representation of a cell in a row of the spreadsheet. HSSF cell and XSSF cell implement the cell interface. Here you can see interfaces and classes. You can in the interfaces you can see workbook, sheet, and row and cell. In classes you can see HSSF workbook, XSSF workbook, likewise. Here the workbook is implemented by HSSF and workbook and XSSF workbook. Here interface sheet is implemented by HSSF sheet class and XSSF sheet class. Here interface row is implemented by HSSF row class and XSSF row class. Here interface cell is implemented by SSF cell class and XSSF cell class. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.